Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Park Review from Big Guy Rides. This park that we recently went and visited was called Belmont Park, located in San Diego, California. This is a boardwalk park or a seaside park, so it is relatively small in size, but if you are in the area, I would definitely say it is worth your time to stop by for at least a short visit. You only need probably a couple of hours at most to get all the rides done in one day. The park consists mostly of kiddie rides, a few flats, and they have one historic roller coaster, the Giant Dipper. This is an ACE landmark coaster, so if you are collecting ACE credits, be sure to stop by and get this one. It was recently retracked, so I have heard that it was running smoother than ever, although I did not get to experience it prior to this visit. I will say, for being a coaster of its age, it ran fairly smooth. It does have that classic woody feel to it, however. We gave this a ride rating of a 7 out of 10 and a size rating of a large. Reminder, I'm about 6'4", 295 pounds. The lap bar goes over both guests, and if you have wide hips or a larger end like I do, it may be a tight squeeze. With that said, let's take a ride on the classic coaster, the Giant Dipper. What a fun ride on that coaster that was built in 1925. The park also has a small arcade area, some laser tag, and I always like to point that out because these are nice areas for you to step out of the sun, get away from the heat, play some games, or allow the kids to play while the adults go to ride. We then got on the Liberty Carousel. This is your classic carousel style of ride. It has the leather straps. Adults are not required to wear them. We gave it a size rating of an XL and a ride rating of a 2 out of 10. Let's take a spin on the carousel. got off the carousel, we went over to Flip Out. This is one of the most intense rides in the park and was one of the more unique rides that I have been on. We gave this a ride rating of a 7 out of 10 and a size rating of an XL. This ride has buttons that you can control whether the car is flipping upside down or not, going backwards or forwards. Half the ride you control it, and half the ride the other car controls it. When you're in control, you are also controlling what happens to the other car, and vice versa. Next, we went over to get on Drop. This is a really small drop tower, perfectly suited for kids and families wanting to ride together. Although it is not that thrilling, it offers a fun ride. We gave it a ride rating of a 3 out of 10 and a size rating of a medium. This one had one of the more tight ride restraints to get into at this park. With that said, let's take a ride on Drop. Once we got off Drop, we headed over to the Beach Blaster. This is a frisbee style of a ride where you face towards the inside. I really like these style of rides. And this one offers a very unique experience because it is dipped down a little bit into the boardwalk rather than being right up on the top surface. So you're actually swinging in and out of that little bit of a pit there as you rock back and forth. This ride also has very tight restraints. You'll see I gave it a ride rating of a 6 out of 10 and a size rating of a medium. The ride op had to push my restraint vest in a couple of times and asked me to move to a larger seat, where finally I was able to get in and enjoy the ride. If you're a large rider, you may want to ask the ride op right off the bat if you can have the larger seat. With that said, let's take a spin. last ride we went to go get on is Zero Gravity. This one is designed for kids, and unfortunately as a large rider, I was not able to get on this ride. The restraints have to meet a certain requirement for how tight they can be pushed down, and unfortunately I did not make it. We gave it a ride rating of a 3 out of 10 and a size rating of a small. Luckily, my amazing girlfriend was able to get on the ride, and she captured a short POV for us to enjoy. And there are some other kids' rides around the area that we did not get on, but families are sure to enjoy. With that said, that brings to conclusion our visit to Belmont Park. This is a small beach boardwalk park located in California. We would recommend. We ask you to like, comment, and subscribe, as that helps us with the YouTube algorithms. Thank you for watching Big Guy Rides.